Alright guys, it's not bolted in. I just went ahead and just snapped it in. As y'all can see, back working like it's supposed to work. Boom. So, whew, 2 hours. So now, hopefully it's easier going back. You know, it's always easier going back together than it is taking it out. So, alright y'all, finna go ahead and put it back together, put this battery in, and see what it do. Alright guys, got everything back the way it was. So I just put the battery in, and I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see if the car blow up or I get electrocuted. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, signal lights working. Okay, alright, signal lights working. Wipers working. We good. So everything in there is good. Now let's see if it cranks. Oh yeah, we rolling, y'all. Now it's just only one more test left to see if she turns and drives. I'm gonna let her warm up and then take her around the corner, and well, let's do the test first, see if the steering tests. Oh yeah, turn it all the way around. Oh yeah. So alright y'all, that's about it. So everything is back in there straight. Everything is looking good, sounding good. Let's see what it do. See if it'll turn it off. Oh yeah. Alright, finna let this baby warm up. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this part back to AutoZone and get my $20 back. But I'm finna show y'all a preview of what I got coming up next. Check this out. Alright y'all, this is what I got coming up next. I'm gonna let you guys see this, then I'm gonna open the box. It just came in. Can y'all read that? I think that say 10,000K, don't that? 9007 10,000K. I wonder what that is. Hold up. Oh snap. Look like to me it's some HIDs. Yes sir. Oh snap, this look like the ballast. Oh yeah. And this right here must be the other ballast. Yes sir. So that's what I got coming up next, y'all. And what this is being installed in is the 94 Thunderbird 10,000K HIDs. I know y'all guys been wondering what's going on with the Thunderbird, so I explained what's going on once I install these. But y'all go ahead and subscribe, because that's coming up next. Alright y'all, we through with the key ignition, we through with the new battery. I just showed y'all a preview of my next video. So alright, see y'all on the next video. We out. One.